Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Friends, Poco has launched its latest smartphones of F series, Poco F5 and Poco F5 Pro, on May 9, 2023. The F series of Poco is a famous lineup of mid-range smartphones, and its devices comes with high-end features, powerful processors, large batteries, and ample storage. Today we will talk about the specifications, price and features of Poco F5 Pro in detail. Which is the best phone of this series? If you have not subscribed this channel, then immediately subscribe our channel for latest updates. Let's start this video. Now we open the box of Poco F5 Pro. You will get fast charger of 67 watt, USB Type-C cable and plastic casing. Friends, if we talk about its design then. Poco F5 Pro comes with attractive design with round edges. It has an in-screen fingerprint sensor which ultra-fast unlocks your phone. On its right side, power button and volume rockers can be seen. At the bottom, USB Type-C port, dual SIM tray, stereo speakers, and microphone has been given. On top, noise cancellation mic, stereo speakers and IR blaster can be seen. The simple and powerful carbon fiber texture on the sides of the glass body embodies Poco's speed and power. On the back of phone, a triple camera setup is given in a rectangle in the top left. And dual LED flash can also be seen. And logo of Poco 5G can also be seen. If we talk about its current market price, then starting price of Poco F5 Pro is $450, 600 Canadian dollars, 420 euros, 37,000 Indian rupees, 1,30,000 Pakistani rupees and 50,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that we talk about display. It comes with HDR10 Plus AMOLED display of 6.67 inches. It brings optimized brightness with refresh rate of 120 Hz, colors, and a more eye-friendly display with enhanced pixel levels, and provide truly stunning display with the support of 68 billion colors, giving you a more stunning visual experience. With Dolby Vision, Poco F5 Pro's display can achieve greater depth, incredible contrast, and more colors. And it has 1400 nits ultra-high brightness to get a clear image under bright light. Its screen resolution is 1440 by 3200 pixels. And 526 ppi density is given. If we talk about the operating system of Poco F5 Pro then Android 13 operating system is used. The layer of MIUI 14 is used on it, which is a user-friendly interface. If we talk about its chipset power then, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor is used, which is manufactured using a TSMC 4nm process technology to maximize performance while staying stable, reliable, and use less energy anytime at anywhere. It provides more precise and smoother gaming experience for heavy games like Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, and PUBG on this phone. And Liquid Cool Technology 2.0 is used to control heating issues. If we talk about the benchmark score of F5 Pro then, its benchmark score is 11,13,713. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which one CPU of 3.0 GHz, 3 CPUs of 2.5 GHz and 4 CPUs of 1.80 GHz can be seen. And Adreno 730 GPU support is given, which is good for graphics. If we talk about battery department then, it comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5160 mAh super battery, coupled with 67W turbo charging, which provides a longer battery life to support better daily performance. If we talk about cameras, it has main sensor of 64 megapixels with a wide aperture of f1.8. And the feature of PDAF and OIS can also be seen. And second one is ultra-wide sensor of 8 megapixels with f2.2 aperture. And third one is macro sensor of 2 megapixels which has f2.4 aperture. It has a central punch hole camera of 16 megapixel for selfies. And you can record maximum video of 8K at 30 FPS from the main camera. You can also get clear or high quality images from this video. If we talk about memory then, you will get dynamic RAM of 8GB and 12GB of LPDDR5X. Poco F5 Pro expands memory up to 13GB and 19GB through the integration of RAM and ROM. It comes with 3 variants. First variant 8GB plus 256GB and second variant 12GB plus 256GB and third variant 12GB plus 512GB. And within this you can get storage type of UFS 3.1. If we talk about the body dimensions then, its height is 162.8 mm and 75.4 mm width and thickness is of 8.6 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 87.5%. And its weight is 204 gram. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass 5 is given on the front. Its frame is made of plastic. And it comes with an IP53 rating, which protects the phone from dust and water for a little time. But it is not waterproof. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. If we talk about colors then F5 Pro is available in black and white colors. If we look overall performance of Poco F5 Pro then it comes with amazing features in a reasonable price. So, friends, which feature you like most of Poco F5 Pro and what is your opinion about its price? Tell us in the comment section. To see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that the latest updates can reach you.